Yes, come on. In coordinate geometry, how can we do the quick revision? See here, I have written formulas here. See, first formula is distance formula. What is distance formula? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Getting? Now second, what is distance from origin? First, what is the coordinate of origin? That is 0, 0. Then direct formula we have distance from origin is under root x square plus y square. Come on. Third one is coordinates of x-axis. That will be x, 0. Clear? Similarly, what will be coordinates of y-axis? 0, y. That is your 0, y. Come on. What is section formula? Section formula we all know. See here. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is. Then what is midpoint formula? Midpoint means middle point. This will be x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is it. Okay. Then area of triangle. This will be half. Then absolute sign. Then x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Okay, what is condition of collinearity? This will be area of triangle is equal to 0. What is area of triangle? This is half. We said half that side. This will become 0. Then x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This should be equal to 0. This is your condition of collinearity. Then come on the next. Yes. Now see the questions. Distance between these 2 points. What was our distance formula? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This minus 3 of minus 3 here whole square plus minus 2 and minus 6 whole square. Okay, minus 3 and minus 3 minus 6. Minus 6 square is plus 36. This will be 36. Minus 6 and minus 2, this will be minus 8. Minus 8 square, this will be 64. This is your 64. And this is, if you add 64 plus 36, this will be 100. And square root of 100 is 10 units. Getting? Come on the next. Distance between the point this from the origin. Coordinates of origin 0, 0. And what we have written direct formula under root x square plus y square. Add these two, x square plus y square. See, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. This will be under root 25. This will be 5 units. Isn't it? Come on. Formula of centroid x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Okay. Then find centroid of triangle this whose vertices are given you. Okay, then what will be centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 means 3 minus 8 plus 5. 3 minus 8 plus 5 upon 3, comma minus 7 plus 6 plus 10 upon 3. Okay, 5 plus 3 8. 8 minus 8 0 upon 3. Here 16 minus 7 is 9 upon 3. Then what will be 0, 3. Like this way you can get easily centroid of any triangle ABC. Come on. Then see, next find the area of square whose vertices are, these 4 vertices are given to you. In square, if you have given 4 vertices, you know what is the area of square is side square. So you have not to find all the measurement of the side, only you find the measurement of only one side. Why? With help of, yes, distance formula. Very good, distance formula. So we have to find out distance formula with help of it. 3 minus 0 whole square. This is your 3 square. 1 minus and minus plus 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 that is 3 square. That is your what? 9 plus 9, 18. Under root 18 units is your sides. Each side is 18 unit. What is area of square then? Under root 18 into under root 18. This will be 18 square units. It's very easy. Like this way, in exam we can ask area of rectangle. That time we have to find length and breadth. AB and BC both we have to find. Next one, area of triangle. That we know half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now I am putting directly half x1 y2 minus y3 x2 y3 minus y1 x3. What is y1? y1 minus y2. What will come? See here. 5 minus 3 is 3. 3 is 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. This is your minus 3. Minus 3 into 4. Minus 12. Okay. This is your 10 minus 12. That is minus 2. But in absolute sign this will become 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 square units is your answer. Getting? Now you have to check these points are collinear or not. We can ask in like true and false. Okay. So check area of triangle. If area of triangle is coming 0, then we can say these points are collinear. If not 0, then not collinear. This is the area of triangle. Now I'm putting points x1 2 y2 minus y3 2 minus 7 x2 y3 minus y1 7 minus 5 x3 4 y1 minus y2 5 minus 2. Let me check. Minus 5 2s are 10 and this will become minus 10. Okay, here 2 and here minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 4s are 12. This will become 0. Minus 12 and plus 12 becomes 0. 0 into multiply by any number is 0. Then we can say yes, these points are collinear. Are you getting? Come on the next question. Come on the next formula. Next question here. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of these two points in the ratio 4:3. Ratio. It means your section formula is there. Okay, what is our section formula? Tell me. Tell me is what? m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. Okay, m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. Similarly, you have to put, now come on, do it fast. Okay, m1 x2 4 4s are 16 plus m2 x1, this is your minus 3 upon 4 plus 3. Getting? 4 4s are 16 minus 3 upon this. Then m1 y2 minus 12 m2 y1 plus 21 upon 4 plus 3. Getting? Now what will be 13 upon 7 comma, this is your what? 9 upon 7. This is coordinates of point P. Like this way you can solve lot of questions which are very small. They are frequently coming in your exam. Do it well.